It's Saturday, and guess what? We're not at the track. I guess you can see the water laying down. We had a lot of rain moved in, so the Saturday races, guess what? Canceled. But right now, the Sunday race is on, so we're gonna get ready for that. Kind of sucks, but hey, where it goes. Well, it's Sunday. It's supposed to be a 2-day race weekend, but it was rained out for Saturday. Sunday's looking good. Boy, it is dewy out here, but you know what? Glad we parked the truck inside, so everything stayed clean. So let's get the door open and get this day started. Nice warm in garage here is 56. Outside, it's like 48 or something. Okay, this is bracket race number 3. As you can tell, the sun is really starting to come up now. Seems like each time we leave, the sun gets higher and higher. It's not as cold as the previous 2 mornings. It's only show about 50 out there, maybe a little lower. The truck was in the garage all night. So anyway, as you know, the Saturday race was rained out. Well, actually, they got a lot of rain up there Friday night, some early Saturday morning, so they canceled it. So right now the race is on for Sunday. So anyway, let's get going down the road. Let's go get our Breakfast of Champions at Sonic. So let's get this day started. Here he comes back with the Breakfast of Champions. Hope he doesn't fall. There it is! Sonic! Time for some breakfast. Time to eat. Track looks really good for all the rain they got up here.
Oh, it does.
Hit. Yeah, a little bit laying there, but
not like I thought there'd be.
Yep, that'll work. Gonna have a good show in the day. Yeah, see him in the mirror all the way around the corner. Get ready to pay the lady.
Yep, it'll be a good day.
Ready to go now. It's all been grilled, warmed up, getting the battery charged up. It's a nice day here. I finally got around. Uh-oh. There we go. Look at that. It works. You sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Cool. We made one pass, or make one pass in both classes. The car ran the same number both passes. So it's definitely on its dial today. So we got 2 more qualifying passes to do. And then we'll dial it in. Hopefully it'll run the same number. It is getting a little bit warmer, and the trailer's showing like 75. But it's a beautiful day. Winds from the south. That might play a little role in it as well. So anyway, speaker, radio. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for qualifying 2 coming up. Okay, I think we're all ready for eliminations. We had just one little small issue. I think the back float on the carburetor got stuck, the needle and seat, because after that pass, it felt like it was loading up on the return road. So anyway, got back here, took the needle seat out of it, and now it's in the sun. And now it looks, it's running a lot better, just sitting here idling. So I think we're good to go for eliminations. So other than that, let's get probably some lunch in us and get ready to go eliminations. So stay tuned for that. Fuel. We just completed round 2 of Super Pro, and I got this yellow slip. It's not good. 003 red. He had a 63. Yeah, gave that one away. So anyway, no E. We won that, and I had a 002 on that. Got there plenty of stripe on them. So anyway, gonna buy back in Super Pro and get ready for Elimination 2 coming up. So get ready for that. Okay, off to the buyback window we go. Okay, my Super Pro, I won my no E round. Did really good on that one. Super Pro E2, decent light, 24 light to his 26. Sorry, I'm in the seat. But what burned me on that one, the car spun at the line. Had a 149 60 foot. It's normally 144. So, wasn't for that. If it wouldn't have spun, I probably had even better light. So, but that's the way it goes. We're out on Super Pro. We're still in no E, going to the third round for that. So, let's get things going, get ready for third round. Hopefully we'll get on to the finals. So anyway, here we go. How I wanted, but we did make some points in no E. We got 2 rounds underneath us and no buys, which is a good thing. Super Pro, I didn't make a single point today. I mean, I went bang bang in that class. So, but I am learning. So, we get this thing loaded up, get on home. Got a race actually next weekend, so turn and burn for next weekend. So gonna get the car taken out and get it checked out for the next race coming up. So anyway, let's get this car loaded. Okay, we are heading home. Beautiful day here in Mokan. This is bracket race number 3. So like I said, we got another race next weekend, be number 4. I think it's number 5 on the schedule, but it's number 4 because the first one was actually rained out. So anyway, guess we'll get on down the road here and head on home, and next shot hopefully you'll see us at the house. So guess we'll get on down the road.
We're leaving Kansas and Oklahoma. She was on camera.
Yeah.
Cool. We made it.
It's only 8:30 here.
Not bad.
Still daylight. We made it. Well, we got half the... I think we got a lot of the Kansas bugs on here. Oh my gosh. Get rid of the Kansas bugs next. Excuse the wind. It's windy up here. The other one's on the front. Crazy. Hey, let me give you a recap. This is the day after the race. Didn't go as good as expected. We got to the 3rd round again. It was really windy outside. Anyway, we got to the 3rd round of no E and only the 2nd round of Super Pro. Not as good as what I wanted, but it is what it is. We have a race coming up here this coming Sunday, so got the car in the trailer now. We're gonna pull it out later on during the week. We got some storms and stuff rolling in. Not tonight maybe, but definitely Wednesday, probably Tuesday night into Wednesday anyway. So it's gonna stay in the trailer until then. We'll pull it out Thursday, Friday, get ready to go for this upcoming Sunday. I haven't checked everything for 2 races now, so we're gonna pull it out and do a little bit of service on it just to make sure everything's running good. So anyway, with that, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the videos I did. We had a little mess up on one of my videos. I wish I had better shots going out the back. I set the camera up, I didn't check it, is just too low. But this next race coming up, I'll move that higher. Should see some killer shots going out the back window. So anyway, with that, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell button at the top to alert you when the next video is coming out. And remember, my videos are released every Sunday at 10 a.m. So anyway, with that, I'm out of here.